Hello, fifth graders, and welcome back to Opinion Writing in Distance Learning. Today is an exciting day because we are going to be finishing up our final drafts, and you're going to make a screencast of yourself reading your essay. Those are our two learning targets for today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we go from the template version that I shared with you a long time ago at the beginning of distance learning. And you're going to make it into what we call paragraph form, where it's just several paragraphs. This second essay, the one that I'm hovering over, looks more like the essays that we've been reading, and it's what we want to, and this is what we want our final drafts to look like. So it's been pretty simple to get that change to happen. So here at the very top in my writing template, I have my paragraphs. But just below, I left all the parts that I started with. And it was really just a matter of copying and pasting all the parts. So I copied the introduction, and then I pasted it first up here. Then I copied my first reason and more about my first reason into another paragraph. Notice here I did a space bar and an indent. That shows that this is my second paragraph. So I'm going to scroll down, show you that. So here I have my first reason and more about that reason. I copied these two things and I pasted them up here. I also added some transitional words and phrases that I thought I was missing based on rereading my work. I did that same thing for the second paragraph, the third paragraph, and the conclusion. I just copied the complete sentences that I had and I pasted them above. That way, at the top of my template, I have all of my paragraphs in one spot. I also made sure to add my title, and I wrote the author's name. So this is what you're going to be, what you see right now, my face here in the corner, and then the essay that's big, that's what it's going to look like when you do your screencast. So make sure that you have your paragraph form done first before doing your screencast. Now we're going to jump into how to do the screencast itself once you've made sure that your essay is in paragraph form. So there is a page of instructions that you can refer back to, or you can always look back at this screencast to see how to use Screencastify. So I'm going to open it up right here. All right, so we're going to use the Chrome app called Screencastify. It's nice because it's free and it can be added to Chrome. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to screencastify.com. And here, up here in the corner, you're going to see a blue button that'll say Add to Chrome. Mine says already installed because I'm clearly using it right in this moment. So you're going to click first on this blue button called Add to Chrome. Next, in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, you're going to see a pink logo that looks just like this. Now mine has a red dot going because that means I'm doing a screencast right now. For you, when you start, you're going to click on this red or this pink arrow, and this box is going to show up. It's going to say, you're going to have the choice between browser tab, desktop, and webcam. I want you to pick desktop, and then I want you to make sure that the microphone and camera are chosen. Then, when you click record, your screen will look just like mine does. You'll have a little box with your face and then a big box that's going to have your opinion essay. Now, once you're going to start on your opinion essay and then click the arrow. That way, the essay is what you see. So when you're all done with your recording, it's going to automatically upload it to Google Drive. Then your job is to copy the shareable link and you're going to paste it into the Google form. So the Google form is in the same place it always is in Schoology. But your first thing you're going to paste is going to be the URL, the long address that the screencast gives you. And then you're going to click. Are you okay with other students in your class seeing your screencast? I hope that all of you are, because it's going to be really fun in the next few lessons to have some time to share virtually using videos. So here's going to be a long URL. That's your copied link. And then here you're going to write if you're okay with students, other kids seeing your video. So that is how to do Screencastify in a nutshell. And the very last thing is just a reminder. So during writing time today, you're going to make sure that your essay is organized into paragraphs. You're going to make a screencast using the directions from this lesson. And finally, you're going to copy the link to your screencast in the Google form to share with your teacher. You're also going to say if you're okay with other kids seeing this video, and I really hope you are. All right, friends, you have your job, so get ready to go do it.